Welcome back to the next peep. So right on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to create this particular trading bot. And this particular trading bot can pass a profile account. So I'll show you guys the particular prompt which I used to create this AI bot. This is XAUSD trading bot. And the good thing about this particular trading bot is I'm going to show you guys the instruction which you can give it to be able to trade other pairs like indices and the rest. Okay, so let's get started. And if today is the first time you are joining our channel, my name is NextPeep. I guide you guys on how to create a best trading bot, and you can use this trading bot to pass any profile account. Do that. This is not a promotional video, and I'm not going to be sharing any link with these funding peeps, but they are a profile that can actually pay once you pass, and you can use this particular trading bot to pass this profile account. So you can see they have 0 and 1 step flex and 2 step. Okay, so any of these step, this particular trading bot can pass the profile. So you can see here, if I choose this one, their rules, I'm going to be stating their rules, and we're going to be using their rules to build this AI bot. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is to get their rules so that you'll be able to see their rules on passing this step 1 phase. This is actually the rules which you require to pass funded piece trading for phase 1 profit. Okay, so now if you make a profit, let me say 8% on their phase 1, you're going to be passing their profit challenge and you're going to be start getting payout. Okay, so this how I explain this on my bots. Okay, let me make you guys understand what I mean by that. Like, assuming that you get funded $10,000, okay, it means that you're going to be making $800 plus on $10,000. Okay, and still vice versa, if you lose $800 from this $10,000, it means that you have failed the challenge. So what I did on my bot here, this is my bot, and this is all the analysis which I did before Kimi to build the bot for me. So what I did here is, instead of 8%, what I did is I made it in a way that Kimi can build a trading bot that every day I'm able to make 2% of that $10,000. Okay, and if I must lose, I will not lose more than 2% daily of this particular capital, which is $10,000. Okay, you cannot start building a EA for profit account without considering this risk. Okay, so now once there is a target, maybe earning of 2%, the bot will stop working, and if the bot manages to lose 2% daily, the bot will actually turn off and wait for next day. Okay, so these are the calculations which I made here, and this particular bot can still trade on news events, but the same percent. So all these things are the things which are leveled up on this particular bot, and still I still added the bot to be able to, the EA, this prompt, to be able to make use of Kimi analysis. Okay, Kimi is going to be using his own analysis to build this particular trading bot. So now all you have to do is to make sure you use the prompt. Okay, so let's go and check and know if Kimi is ready. Our bot is ready. You can see here it's still building our bot. Kimi has actually finished coding our bot, so just copy. Is going to be having a button here to just copy. You click on copy, and once you copy, you make sure that you have MT5 installed on your system. So you just go search for meta editor, and once you have your meta editor, you just click on it. So I already opened a meta editor here. These are all the bots I've been working on this week. I'm going to be sharing this one on my Telegram channel. This one that is actually trading now is called XAUSD AI bots. I've done a lot of work here, and you can see the bot is actually making some profits. If you check my history here, you can see that the bot is actually doing well. So now what I'm going to do is to go to my meta editor, and I'll click on file here, and I'm going to select new file. Okay, so here just leave it on Expert Advisor, not this one, the first one here, Expert Advisor. So click next. Here, let's give it a name. I'm gonna write it. Let me say prop firm AI. Okay, so click OK. So here, don't select any on trade. Just leave it default, next, default, and finish. So here we're going to highlight everything and remove. Okay. So once you remove everything, this is where you paste your bots. Once you paste your bot here, you're going to be compiling it. I'll show you guys how to compile this trading bot and test the bot over and over in different years, different charts to see that the bot is profitable before adding a real money on your account. So to do that, just click on this button right here, this first button. You can see there's a green button and more of blue. Click on the blue one, or just go straight and click on compile here. Okay, so once the bot is done compiling, click on this blue button right here. So this is going to send it straight to testing environment. So guys, I can see that the bot have started working. So the bot has given out 2 losses and wait for the bot to trade. Okay, so let the bot trade and let's see how much the bot is going to make. So the bot is on profit now, losses. Okay, so let's give it a time to trade from this to the ending. It's not going to take some time. Let's see how much the bot is going to be making on this particular trade. Remember, we're testing the bot from since last year. And the prompt I use on this particular trading bot, how it works is if the bot enter profit, this SL will actually break even so that you don't get to give you losses. So it will set up the SL and the TP, and once you're on profit, the bot is going to move the SL to break even, and that is the best trading bot to build. Okay, to build the best trading bot, you have to make sure that the SL can be able to be moving maybe from SL to break even so that you'll be able to make something out of that trade. Okay, so you can see here the bot is actually on profit. We are back to 900. Okay, even bot makes mistake, but you can see the bot is already on $1,185. Okay, so it means that the bot is actually working, watching. And if you have any issue on this video, just comment and I'm going to be replying to your comments. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.